Are we good? We're good? All right, everybody. So I wanted to do this video mainly to let everybody know the reason why I decided to create this channel. Um, and the reason I'm going to be recording videos on here. The reason behind me creating this channel is because I'm fully aware that there are other people just like me who are trying to get back into IT, or there are a lot of people I've come across that are trying to change their careers to uh, database administration, Azure administration, or cloud, some kind of cloud computing. So for the people who are going through or considering a change of career, that was my main focus for doing this video. I wanted to show that just because you get older doesn't mean you really lose anything, that you can do anything at any age. So I'm actually trying to prove something to myself with doing all of this, because I've been out of IT since 2003 professionally. I'm not going to say I haven't done anything IT related since, but professionally. So there's a huge experience gap. I got off into so many different other fields, clerical. The last thing I'm into now is implementation. Implementation is starting to be more technical, which makes a nice little segue over to cloud computing. So that tends to, that works out for me. But, I just really miss a lot of the IT work. So I always wanted to even though I did implementation, I always wanted the job to be more technical, or to learn more technical things. It just didn't never dawn on me to get my certifications. I just didn't think about it. COVID-19 started. I could have actually been getting certifications since then, but it just didn't hit me till now. I'm a firm believer of things happen when they're supposed to happen, and I feel like now is the time for me to make my move and get things rolling for the IT industry. So the reason I'm making this video is just so that people just like me, people who are trying to get back into IT, people who are considering a career change, that you can feel like you can do it. Even though you're getting older, you're not, you didn't lose anything, you still can do it. You can get out here and hang with the best of them. And that's what I'm going to show on this channel. I'm going to show that I can get out here and I can make it happen. So that's the reason for me doing this channel. Also, I wanted to talk about, since I'm already on here, I've also started studying for the AZ900 on Azure. So I'm taking I'm studying for the Azure 900 exam now. I'm looking up at my calendar. I got a big calendar on the wall. I'm about, 2 weeks in. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I got 3 more weeks. I'm giving myself plenty of time. I know many of you do not need 5 or 6 weeks, but that's because you are currently in an IT position now. I've been out of IT since 2003. So I'm not really trying to take any chances. Also, I don't like to waste a lot of time. I'm a person that I don't like to waste time. I like to do it once the right way and get it done. So if I have to take 3 extra weeks, I'm willing to do that just to get it knocked out. Because I feel like once I'm done with that, then I can get started on something else. I hate wasting time. So my goal, my mission, I'm going to tell you, kind of share with you how I plan on pursuing these certifications. Okay, I did get the MTA Database Fundamentals certification. Now I plan to get the AZ900 Fundamental certification. And from there, it was kind of tricky because I do enjoy databases, because I was going to go to the role-based certification and do the database administration or the administration. However, I think right now the administration certification is more in demand. And it still has a lot of things that I would enjoy doing, and the database is a part of that. It just doesn't specialize in database administration. So I believe I'm gonna go for the AZ104 after I achieve this AZ900. I think that's the route I'm gonna take, and then we'll see, where I go from there. But that's my path so far. Well, that's where I plan on going right now. Who knows what might happen once once I pass the AZ900, because I am going to pass it. And I'm going to pass the other one as well. I don't care if it takes me 2 months to study for the AZ104. Like I said, guys, I've been out of the IT industry for a while. So I feel like I have a lot to prove. I feel like there's, a lot of pressure, but I think I kind of work well under pressure. So I want you, if you are new to the IT industry or the IT field and you're trying to get into IT, or you're going through a career change, watch my videos. I'm gonna be your motivation. We're gonna do this together, all right? So continue to watch my videos. Don't forget to subscribe and like the videos, please, all right? Peace.